Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in with the OLSP System Mega Link. And these are my commissions here on the right hand side. It's now $179.40. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how with the Mega Link you can earn, just promote one link and earn up to 7 income streams. And the link in the description will give you access to this free video tour here by the owner and creator of Mega Link, which is Crowe. And this short video here lasts about 10 minutes. Wayne will explain exactly why and how he created the Mega Link and how he wants every single person to be able to become successful and make money online and help them to do so. So that will give you a nice overview there of the product itself. So I'm going to take you inside the members area. I'm going to show you how everything works. First of all, I'll just show you some proof of multiple income streams. So I'll go into my commissions in the left-hand column here, and we'll just load up here some more transactions. So if I scroll down here, well, first of all, you'll see the balance, what I just showed you there, which is $179 in this column here. Go right back to the beginning, which is December. Okay, so I think I started on the 6th. Maybe there's more than one page on here. Okay, but anyway, starting there at $49, but I did start on December the 6th. So what you'll see here is Mega Messenger is another product. So this is a one-time special offer. The Mega Link is this one here, Mega Link, where you earn 100% commissions of $7. And there's also, you'll see here, list building and Magic Link. So there's 3 products there that have so far, all these are all Mega Links. But the main thing is there that I want to show you that you can earn more than one income stream with this product, and you can earn 100% commissions. A one-time payment of $7, so no monthly membership costs, which is another thing that I like about it. Now, the training and the support that you get with this product is where OLSP System really excels. Not just the products, but the training and the support you're going to get to become successful online. So if you decide to join our team, what you're going to do is, the first thing to do is watch these 2 free video trainings here. Wayne Crowe, how I made 10 million in commissions. So Wayne's been online now for 15 years, and he really wants just not to help experienced marketers. He wants to help everybody succeed online, and that's why he's created this system. Another free training here you've got access to. So all you do is click on Access Product to get to these 2 free trainings, the 100 Commission Hack. And there's lots more within this system, but I'm not going to go into that today. I want to show you how things work, because it's really important to understand the value you're going to get for a one-time payment of $7. So if you are brand new or you're quite new to affiliate marketing, please don't get overwhelmed by all these boxes on here. I just want to show you how simple, nothing hard, nothing technical, and how simple this can be for you even as a beginner. So this is a training inside the Mega Link trainings. You'll see here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 videos there for you to go through. So it's really detailed and helps everybody succeed with his trainings, Wayne Crowe. And this line here that I'm going to draw, you'll see a line down here that Wayne's drawn in the training. So I'm going to draw a line down there. And that line's really important, because everything to the left of this line is all you've got to be concerned with. The rest is a complete done-for-you system. So everything over here, all of these boxes, all of these products, everything over here is a complete done-for-you system that he's created for you. Complete 100% done-for-you system. Now what happens is, let's go into the pencil here. If you look in the top right-hand corner, it says Mega Link. So all you're going to do is take one affiliate link. That's all you're going to do. That you're going to get, when you join, you're going to get a Mega Link. And all you've got to do, the only thing you have to do over here to the left is traffic and promote that Mega Link. And then Wayne will even teach you in his trainings. He does live trainings. He's got trainings in the members area, weekly live trainings, question and answer trainings. And then he'll teach you in the training how to promote your Mega Link. And he even gives you a done-for-you lead capture page. So you don't have to create a lead capture page. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. When you get your affiliate link, this is the only page that I've promoted that he's given me. And then what happens is, when you start to drive traffic, so it says here, he calls it a squeeze page, call it a lead capture page. When you drive traffic to that page, you'll start to build an email list. Now he sends emails out for you. So you don't need to buy an autoresponder and pay monthly subscriptions. He sends emails out for you. And within those emails, and this is consistent, and within those emails here is your affiliate link. He's promoting you, your affiliate link. And then that's just ongoing. That's ongoing. And if anybody buys, he will continually send emails out for you with more offers. So within those emails, he promotes offers. He promotes live trainings where you can earn commissions from your link. He promotes lots of different offers. Now the offers vary from low ticket to medium to monthly recurring commissions to high ticket. And that's your affiliate link in those emails. So if anybody buys from those emails he sends out for you, you will earn commissions. And that's how the system works. Very, very clever, very, very unique. I've never seen anything like it before where it's all done for you like this. He's got a team of 32 staff. Now, it gets even better because he's even created a Facebook group. So all of his members, there's 142,000 members in this Facebook group where all his members can help and support each other, and there's trainings in there as well. So this is a complete 100%, I'll put DFY here, a complete 100% done for you system, complete 100% done for you system for $7, one-time payment. The value is absolutely superb. And remember, the big thing is, because a lot of people on a limited budget, especially this time of the year, no NMC, no monthly costs. And he'll even teach you free traffic as well in the members area. So quite a lot of boxes on there, a lot of circles, a lot of funnels, and a lot of stuff. If you are brand new, please don't worry about all of that. You don't have to worry about all of this. It's all done for you. The only thing you've got to be concerned with is just learning how to drive traffic, and he's going to teach you how to do that as well. So the Facebook group over here is where, again, the community support is there, 142,000 members. Wayne's active within the Facebook group. There's lots of beginners there achieving success and posting their results. There's also lots of experienced affiliate marketers in there to help you succeed as well. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. So we're not making any income claims or guarantees within this video. and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote it as an affiliate if you wish to do so. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will give you a free video to come and meet Wayne Crowe. He's here to help us all succeed, and he's doing some fantastic work in doing so. And some more information on this page as well about exactly what the mega link is. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.